My name is Fred. Thank you so much for your generosity towards the vulnerable people. Actually, these are starving people from northern Uganda. We are so excited and glad that through your donation, we're able to provide food to the people who have been starving from hunger. This has come as a result of flood which actually affected entire northern Uganda last year. And so many people were displaced, so many families were destroyed. A lot of people are living in a school setting and churches. And today, with your support and help, we're able to have food given to this community. This is the second time we're bringing food within a week. On Tuesday this very week, 2026, we were able to give food to the community. And then so many people came, over 1,500 people came for food on Tuesday. And we were not able to meet all their needs. And today, as you're seeing them, it's approximately 500 to 600 people who have come to receive food again. And yet we have not provided enough for them because our resources is not enough to have all of them being given food. Today, over 900 people will miss food, adding with the family who missed food last week, on Tuesday. We still ask for your support and help, whatever you can. The Lord will bless you and reward you on every single coin of dollar that you donate towards saving grace in Uganda. We are grateful, and as you see, the elders in this community, they're crying for water because this community lacks clean water source. And due to that age, they're not able to walk for long distance to get water. Right. So I want each of them to say word.
Want me to pee.
Want me to pee. Can pee. Don't bore wagal rebel.
Pee. Want me to pee. Pee na machel.
Sian nere duong. Want me to pee. Me to pee.
To pee. Ina wala pia ba uti na pee pe. Want me to pee.